What's the meaning of bridal? Bridal. Bridal.
Bridal. Bridal. The term bridal refers to something relating to a bride or a wedding ceremony. It can be used to describe various wedding-related items, such as bridal gowns, bridal parties, bridal showers, and bridal registries. The word is commonly used in the wedding industry and is associated with the excitement and joy of getting married. Using the term bridal often creates a sense of elegance, sophistication, and romance that is associated with weddings. Overall, bridal is a term that encompasses all things related to a bride and her special day.